Why would you have to point out Masawa?
What's that?
Masawa in the map.
Oh no, it was like that when we got it.
Oh yeah.
No,
I think it was because.
I was going to raise it there.
Yeah.
Relax it, drop it. Drop this one.
Ooh. All right.
Relax it, drop the shoulder too.
Ooh. All right.
Try to look the right and left.
Yeah, the pants are a little tight.
That's okay, that's okay. Hold it, relax it.
Well,
I'm like, don't tense your shoulders.
oh, okay.
Relax your back. Most of the time, on this kind of dress, just adjust one centimeter. You can see.
You know when it comes through.
Relax this one. Relax this one.
Very nice.
Relax it like that. Wait. Relax this one. Yes,
I'm sorry.
it's okay, it's okay.
I'm doing my just throw. I'm just worried that you're just gonna try and hurt me.
Just do your mouth. This is super face. Face the other way. See this one is super face.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm not trying to resist.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
It's just
Yeah,
on the shoulder.
Get that?
Yeah.
So let's do the other side. See? That's it. Relax. Bend your things. Sorry, your knees.
Oh, my knees.
And relax the body. Your hands on your chest. Your hands on your chest.
Your hands on your chest.
I mean, like he was trying to push it out. As happy as he can. Feel the ribs.
Yeah. Oh, I felt it in the groin, in the muscle.
Good. Hold it.